Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon. This easy guide will help you jump right into the action. You'll discover a massive open world featuring hundreds of licensed cars to collect and drive. The game offers a variety of races, challenges, and stunts to complete, earning you valuable rewards. Experience dynamic weather and 4 distinct seasons, which dramatically change the driving experience and available events each week. Get ready to explore and have fun. Driving is at the heart of Forza Horizon. You'll learn to master different techniques across diverse terrains, from city streets to muddy off-road tracks. As you play, you'll earn influence points, which are crucial for unlocking new events and advancing your festival career. Don't forget to customize your vehicles with thousands of performance upgrades and visual modifications, making each car uniquely yours. You can also jump into online multiplayer to race against or team up with other players. The Horizon Festival is packed with secrets and activities beyond just racing. Keep an eye out for hidden barn finds, where you can discover and restore classic, rare vehicles. Dive into Horizon stories, which offer unique narrative-driven challenges with interesting characters. The world itself is a playground, featuring diverse environments from bustling cities to serene countrysides. Remember to check out the seasonal events, which refresh every 7 days, bringing new challenges and exclusive rewards. To truly master Forza Horizon, consider diving deeper into its advanced features. Experiment with tuning setups to fine-tune your car's performance for specific races or driving styles. Joining a club allows you to connect with friends, race together, and earn bonus rewards. The auction house is a fantastic place to buy and sell rare vehicles and designs. Finally, unleash your creativity by designing custom routes and sharing them with the vibrant Horizon community for endless fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.